What problem can AI solve? Imagine a world where you have a personal assistant that's always on duty 24/7, taking care of your tasks, answering your queries, and even predicting your needs. That's the world AI is creating for us. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a swiftly advancing field that's transforming the way we live and work. But you may be wondering, what problems can it really solve? One of the major areas where AI shines is in data analysis. It can process vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights and predictions that are invaluable for businesses. AI can predict market trends, customer behavior, and even potential risks, helping companies stay on top of their game. AI is also making strides in healthcare. It can analyze medical images, detect abnormalities, and even predict the likelihood of diseases. This can speed up diagnosis, improve treatment, and ultimately, save lives. It's not just about business and health, AI is also revolutionizing education. It can personalize learning, adapt to each student's pace, and even predict learning outcomes. This can make education more effective and engaging, paving the way for a brighter future. AI has a crucial role to play in climate change too. It can analyze climate data, predict environmental changes, and help us devise strategies to combat climate change. It's our powerful ally in preserving our planet. Moreover, AI can solve the problem of time. Mundane tasks like scheduling meetings, answering emails, or sorting files can be automated, freeing up our time for more important tasks. It's like having a personal secretary, only much faster and more efficient. AI can also enhance security. It can detect suspicious activities, predict security threats, and even prevent cyber attacks. This can protect our data, our money, and our peace of mind. But it's not just about solving problems, AI is also about creating opportunities. It can generate new ideas, innovate new products, and even create new jobs. It's a catalyst for growth and progress. So, what problem can AI solve? Well, it seems the better question is, what problem can it solve? From business to health, education to climate change, time management to security, AI is changing the game. It's not just a technology, it's a revolution. As we move forward, let's embrace AI, harness its potential, and shape a smarter, safer, more efficient future. Because the possibilities with AI are not just immense, they are infinite. The world of AI is here, and it's time we step into it. Together, let's transform challenges into opportunities, and shape a world where technology works for us, not against us. The future is AI, and the future is now. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool that can solve a myriad of problems. By embracing AI, we can unlock limitless possibilities and shape a better future. So, are you ready to step into the world of AI? Let's make the most of AI, let's make the most of the future. After all, the future isn't just about predicting, it's about creating. And with AI, we have the power to create a future that's smarter, safer, and simply better. We're sure you found this video helpful to you. Please hit the like button in appreciation. And hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you know when we upload a video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.